Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a Danish flag in Minecraft. First, gather your materials. You'll need one red banner and one white die. These are the primary components for our flag. You will also need access to a crafting table and a loom to combine these items effectively. Let's get started on crafting this iconic design for your world. To begin, you'll need to craft your base red banner. Place 6 red wool blocks in the top 2 rows of your crafting table. Then, put 1 stick in the center bottom slot. This arrangement will yield your plain red banner, which serves as the foundation for the Danish flag. Ensure you have enough red wool for this step. Now, it's time to add the distinctive white cross. Take your red banner and the white die to a loom. Place the red banner in the banner slot and the white die in the die slot. From the pattern options, select the border pattern, which creates a thick white cross. This instantly transforms your red banner into the Danish flag. Congratulations, your Danish flag is now complete and ready to be proudly displayed in your Minecraft world. You can place it on any wall or attach it to a banner pole to truly showcase your creation. This simple yet effective design adds a touch of national pride to your builds. Enjoy your new flag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.